Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the Realme C11 and going straight to the home screen. Once there, long press any empty spot to open the home options. You need to ensure the current launcher supports widgets and the phone is updated to the latest system patch. Once done, tap Widgets in the menu to reveal collections. If you don't see widgets, make sure home screen settings aren't locked and that a custom launcher isn't overriding default behavior. This gets you into the selection view quickly. You now pick the widget you want by scrolling the list and either tapping it or holding and dragging it onto the home screen. Once on the page, position it in a free grid cell. Make sure there's enough space so the widget doesn't auto-snap to another page. After placing, use the resize handles. Drag edges to expand or shrink so content fits. Make sure interactive components respond. If a widget needs account access, sign in when prompted. This controls both look and functionality. Finish by testing the widget's functions. Open its shortcuts, update content, and confirm taps launch the correct app. Once satisfied, consider locking the home layout in settings or taking a backup via your launcher so layout remains stable. If a widget won't appear or stays blank, the one key troubleshooting step is to reset the launcher. Go to Settings App's Default Apps or the Launcher app, clear cache and data, then reopen the home screen. Reboot if needed, and re-add the widget.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.